I'm at Walmart and I'm going to burp and I'm going to get a reaction. But first I have to get one because I like have none in me, which stinks. So we gotta find a unsuspecting person and see if we can get the reaction. I'm in the baby aisle. There's not many people with babies, I guess, because it's nobody here. Well, there are some over there. I gotta get it. I gotta swallow air. I can't get it out. That was pretty funny. I think she looked too. When I heard people laughing. Wait, let's do it again. No, I'm not done. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. That was pretty good. Alright, hold on. Yes, Jeff thinks I'm nuts, but I am, so it's okay. That was pretty good. What's this? A cuddle chimp? Oh, lovely. Try me, press my foot, I come alive. Oh, that's nice. Entertaining. Okay, here, I'll get behind these people. I don't know if I can stop. Hold on, I got it done. Okay, I'm gonna pee my pants.